What's up guys, I'm Deborah with the Fan Party, and today I will be showing you how to make a castle diaper cake. Here are all the things that you're going to need, and I will put them down in the description below. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is make the base of the castle. So I'm using 30 size 1 diapers, and this is a 12-inch cake pan, and I'm going to cascade the diapers around the cake pan. For the second tier, I'm going to use 15 diapers. Alright, so my bottom tier is not as wide as I'd like it to be, so I made another small diaper circle with 6 diapers, and I'm going to place it in the center of the bottom tier. That way it sticks out more and I have more space to put my towers. Now it's time to make the towers. I've got 6 size 1 diapers, and I'm going to split them into 2 and make 2 small circles. I have a white sheet of paper here. I'm going to roll it the short way to about that small. Size doesn't really matter. And tape it shut. Using the tube, I'm going to stick it in the center of one of the circles. And place the other one on top. So I've got 1 tower made, and I need to make 4 more because I'm going to have 5 towers total. Now it's time to decorate. I've taken my cardboard tube and stuck it in the center so it can hold. And I have 1.5 inch glitter ribbon that I'm going to put at the bottom. I'll wrap it around to measure it, and then I cut. Alright, so to make the cones to go on top of the towers, I have a 8-inch circle. I'm going to fold it in half so I can trace a semicircle onto my papers. And I'm going to make 5 cones total. 2 will be blue, and 3 will be blue and 2 will be gold. And I'm tracing it like this just so I can save paper. Alright, now take the straight edge from corner to corner, fold it in, or roll it in until you make a cone shape. And you want to leave a little hole at the top, a little smaller than that, so you can fit the stick for the flag. Alright, for the flags, I've got some scrap pieces of glitter gold paper here. I've cut out a diamond that I'm going to use for the flags. I'm going to cut out the scraps of gold paper the length of the triangle, the diamond. I'm going to fold it and trace my triangle on top of it. And then I have my flag. To glue it on, I have these lollipop sticks, or cake pop sticks. I'll put a little bit of glue on the inside, and then glue the ends together. Alright, so before I put everything together, I had to make a couple of adjustments. For example, the tube that I had in here, it was too high. So I cut it down low so it's just the right height, and I made a longer paper tube for the top tower. So let's put everything together. So I'm going to glue the ribbons to, I'm going to glue the ribbons of the tower to the sides of the diaper cake. The castle diaper cake is pretty much finished, but I've got a couple of cutouts here that I want to put on just to make it look a more complete. Do it all straight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, or if you have any suggestions or something else that you'd like me to make, just let me know in the comment section.